Hello? Hello? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Hello? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Well, my computer lagged out, so it just totally froze and everything just halted. I got a message saying OBS just reconnected the stream, so hopefully we're back online. Can you guys all hear me? I think everything's working again. It was like a short glitch of, yeah, it worked, cool. Yeah, it's just my computer just lagged. I guess the game lagged while I was trying to open my my Explorer file folder because I was trying to open up a screenshot of my my scanner setup. So I'm gonna, I think this goes right here. That goes right there. Alright, now I can move it down a little bit. Alright, well, welcome back, everybody. Thanks for retuning in. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. I think this is right. The right there on that spot is the AND gate. It's kind of weird because I'm used to actually having that AND gate symbol, and now they've changed it, so it's hard to tell. They should have kept the old symbol still though. Yeah, it's really weird now. Okay, I think that's right there, and then the NOT gate goes right there, and then I'm going to use the steel because hang on, did I build that right? I built it right over it, so I'm trying to readjust to my design here. Okay, well, I guess this could go right there then. Right, yeah, I guess I could go right there. And then my filter gate, my buffer gate, goes this direction to touch it. Yeah, okay. Wait, hang on, let me make sure that's steel. Yeah, it is made of steel. And then I'll connect this to that, and then connect that to that, that to that, and that to that. And I guess one more. Oops, it's saving again. Oh my god. Please don't lock up. Okay, yeah, so this connects to that. And I'll need my guys to do a little ladder up to that. But I'll take care of that in a second. And then this goes to this right here. It's a buffer. And then the filter right here to that. And then I need a knot right here. And then I need a filter right there. And then I need to run a wire from here to there, and that to that, and that runs across. And then this goes there, and that goes straight up to that. Oh, that, yeah, I guess iron on that's fine for now. Okay, so they need to be able to reach all that, so I'll go like this. Yeah. Hopefully I'll take care of all of it. I guess that last ladder is not necessary. I'll just cancel that last ladder. So that should set up the scanner. And then I'll connect the other scanners to it. From here to there. I mean, technically I only need 3. So I'll leave that last one. Well, I'll connect it anyways. But I won't power it. Or, yeah, I won't power that one. I'm being cheap on the power right now. I think I got everything the way I want it. Okay, so the automation here is 60 seconds. And that one's 60 seconds. And then that one is 4. Well, once it's built, that's 4 as well. I guess I'll leave it at 5. That's not important. Okay, that should work, theoretically, if I got my things correct. Okay, and that's generating power as necessary. Okay. And let's see here. Check the temperature. The room should be chilled. Oh my goodness. Yeah, the room should be chilled. How's the water? Yeah, 18. Yeah, so looks like it's working. I mean, it's chilling everything on its way up. Yeah, okay. Alright. Well, temperature looks fine. I'm just waiting on these two to get removed. Oh yeah, and copper. I gotta get copper wire. Do I have enough? Oh no, I don't think so. Let me see here. Do I have enough to connect to that? No, barely. Wow, I need more copper wires. So let me go check up on that. Okay, everything looks like they're working as intended. How's this room? It's still 97 degrees. Wow, I'm surprised. Alright, so wow, I'm losing CO2. Huh. I guess I pumped too much CO2 that whole entire time. Yeah, I did end up pumping too much CO2. Oh, none of those. Because now, now my my thingy, my mushrooms aren't getting enough CO2s. Oh, and I'm off gassing. Oh, there was a reason why I had water along this row to prevent the off gassing. So now let me just seal those off. Okay, hopefully that stops the water bottles or the polluted water from coming up. Oh, there's a lot of CO2s down here. Huh. Damn it. I wonder how I'm going to get that out. I guess if I lower this a bit, then that could help. Like lower the floor. For now, I'll clear that out. Oh my god, it popped up. Okay, let me see if is there a big pocket here? Hopefully, I think that's a small pocket. No, that is a big pocket right there. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna remove that. I guess I can pop that open maybe, and then mop all that. I mean, I guess I could lower this one floor. That could help. Yeah, if I lower that one floor, it'll probably help. I should relocate that to this so that it's always going to be polluted water in this corner. Okay, I think that removed the CO2 pocket. There you go. What about this? Yeah, no, that's just tiny. Not worried. Okay, yeah. So now it should stop off gassing as well because there's a layer of water. Yeah. That's pretty problematic. I think I'm gonna shut it off completely. Okay, this floor needs to, if I can go bring it up a notch, then some of the CO2s will go that direction. So let me do that, I guess. How's that competing? Oh, it's fine. I guess I'll just do regular tiles. What is this? I don't want to use. I'll just use that. Run right across. Or do I have sandstones? I do have a lot of sandstones. I'll just do sandstones. No reason not to. Try to get rid of it. So that should raise the CO2 one row to push that way. And get rid of like whatever's off gassing. So that should at least push some of the CO2 to that floor. Oh, and this too. Huh. Here, I'll do that. Okay, what else can I tweak? Or waiting on, I guess, copper. Oh my goodness, yeah, waiting on copper. Well, let's give iron a pause, and then iron steel a pause. And get more copper so we can run more power lines. And I notice my buddy plants are dying, so I'm losing. I need to raise this to be not 20, less than 20 degrees. Let's go to 20 degrees. My buddy plants are dying. There's no reason to make it that cold anyways. Because I need those to... No. Do they dig it up? No, don't dig it up. Hopefully I didn't click on dig or something. Yeah. Okay, so hopefully that CO2 now passes this direction. Why are these? Oh, it's because I don't have enough. Oh god, yeah. Let me delete that. Okay, yeah, the reason why I'm getting all this off-gassing is because the pressure here is above or below 200 or 2,000. So if it's below 2,000, the off-gassing starts kicking in, and then that ends up creating more oxygen that pushes it down. And so, are they cramped? No, right? I'm just gonna drop that in there. Wow, it is really moving slow on the petroleum. Okay, so copper, I'm back in business. I can start laying down more lines. Yeah, there we go. It's still good. Okay, yeah, I'll take that. still good. Oops. Yeah, okay, we're perfect there. And then the remainder. Do I have... Okay, I need a little bit more for that. And I'm waiting on these. Why aren't those being moved? Like, maybe I should have like a sweep only ASAP on it. No. Where's a ASAP on ore? I think one of these are ASAP ore. Metal ores, yeah. Why aren't they? That should be moved ASAP. Let's run that. I'm trying to get rid of the iron that's sitting there that's hot, so I can place the solar panels down. Yeah, see that one? Alright, that's taken care of. There's one more right there too. Oh well, I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'm going to place the solar panel now for this one. And I'm just going to dig the rest of this up. Oh, huh. Oh, okay, right. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Wait, no, not right there. Sorry, I did that wrong. It's supposed to be right here. Huh, I don't even fuss. Shouldn't even fuss with that. That turned out pretty well, actually. Okay, I got some more power. So I can run the power line from here to there. Or, yeah, that works. And then the remainder of that can connect to this one. Yeah. Yep, alright, that works. So that should give extra juice to this line. And that won't have to run all the time. Okay. And this room is pretty chill, which I'm happy about. What else to do here? I could add some more, but right now it's not essential. I think I've got... Do I have enough power on that bottom row? Oh, I need another... extend the power. To that. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. That's not made us deal. Gold. We'll go with gold. And then the power connects to that. Okay. That should be enough for like a meteor shower run where everything goes lights out. Yeah, that should be enough. Alright, so I'm ready to open the doors. Let's connect that, and then pray everything works. Alright, I think everything's properly connected. Here we go. The door's opening. We should get some power too from this. Oh, there we go. We got some power. Some, not all. That's because the door crusher hasn't started working yet. Okay, I think after the first meteor shower cycle, then these will be okay. Okay, so alright, now we can start thinking about building the rocket, the steam rocket. I'll probably just do it like from here and set up the platform across, maybe like across this way for now. Well, let me dig through that and then just push that down a little bit. Okay, so rocket is like 5 module, so I need 10, so I need about 50 height. Height of 50. Ooh, this is not even enough. This gets me like what, 7 modules? Oh my god, if I put the platform right there, that gets me 6 modules. I think that's 6 modules right there. Right, it's the height of 4 or 5? Yeah, height of 5. So this is only going to get me 6 modules right here. Six. I need 7. 8. I need a lot more than this. This height is very limited. This is not going to cut it. Because the first planet. Okay, steam rocket, the base, the capsule, and I need 6. I need to get 6, 7, 8, 8. 8 times 5 is like, I need 40. Height of at least 40. Oh goodness, this is not even, this is barely anything. Wow, what am I gonna do? I need a lot more space. Oh, really bad. Unless I calculated that wrong, right? This is only going to get me, if I go like right there, it's only going to get me 6 modules. This is 7. Yeah, that's barely anything. I guess I can try to go down 1 tile on this and take the 7. 7, subtract 2, so I get like exactly 5. Ooh, I don't know if that 5 is going to get me the research I need. 20 points. I mean, I'm going to be off by 1. 4, okay, that's 600. 600 divided by 50 is 12. I need 6 rocket modules. Or 6 research modules to actually cover that that last one for the booster. Because I want booster on the 4th. Well, okay, let me... Ooh, my goodness. Yeah, I'm thinking how I'm gonna fit the rocket into this. Maybe I can run it down here and then have a really narrow steam. I think rocket modules is 7 across or 6 across. It's 7 across. So that is that space exposure? It is. Oof. That's not space exposure. Okay, so if I mean, theoretically, I can. Hang on, I should just delete some of this and make the rocket on this side of the room. Right, so 7 this direction, and then I can do steel tiles going this direction. Yeah, steel tiles go this direction. Okay, let me see if I can just push all of the steam into this corner over here. I'll delete this. Yeah. Wow, this is cutting it close. Okay, so I'm gonna put the steam rocket like on this side, and I'm gonna seal all this up with steel, like all the steel bunkers going all the way up here, or at least up to here, and then preserve the steam that's here. So yeah, this is where the steam rocket's gonna be until I don't need the steam anymore. But yeah, this is, well, whatever. We'll make this work. We're definitely gonna make this work. I think. Okay, so I need 6 modules at least, right? What'd I say? 7. I want 7 modules. 7 times 5 is 35. No, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 5 is 45. So it's got to go like all the way down 45 to here. Yeah, to roughly like right there. For my my thing to have like 7 research modules. So right here to here is where I need to put my platform. Right, I think right here to here. I'm going to go with this direction a little bit. And then I'm going to seal this off. Well, I'm going to seal it off, but for now I'm going to use the ladders to get to it. And tunnel across to clear it out. But yeah, this is where my rocket's gonna be. 7, yeah. and then I'm gonna have to like move the steam this direction just to store it in this pocket here to push to pump into the thing. I mean, that's kind of nice because it won't have to go very far for the pumping. I'm setting that up now so that way it passes the heat. Or it's setting up the heat. But yeah, this is going to be where the steam engine is. Right, I think I said 40, 45, right? Yeah. Oh, no. I'm one off. Okay, yeah, I'm one off. It's going to be right there. So I just got to clear this pathway straight up. Oh, I don't want to do that just yet until I move the steam. Yeah, I don't want to accidentally do anything that breaks the steam out. Shoot, I'm gonna have to tunnel that down a little bit. Like bring the water level down so I can drain all that over the side. So yeah, what I'm trying to do is like lower this liquid level because this is gonna have to come down somewhere. So I'm gonna crack this open and let this spill off this direction into this little pit. Okay, let me see here. I think everything here is in order. Oh, okay. Why is it not working? Is there... Let me see if I can... Did I... Hopefully I got that correct. I think I got everything correct. So when that gets green, then that should send the signal to turn that off, to close that door. Well, hopefully it's just that first pass that's glitched. Oh, you know what? I think I forgot to connect the lines. Or do they need to be connected? No. I think they need to be connected. Yeah, no, they have to be on separate lines. Let me turn off this. That's probably what caused it. They need to be off. Yeah, that's probably what's causing it. My switches. Yeah, it's totally these switches here. Okay. uh, the reason I had these switches is so that I can actually build the doors. Because otherwise, like, if I didn't have the switches and I had the automation line on it, and they start building these doors, it actually gets locked, and so they end up not being able to do stuff. Okay, that should totally fix that. All right, so then they're working on this. To get rid of all that. Right, this is 7. Right, yeah. Really, I should go one more. Oh, I can't because of the stupid plant. Yeah, I can't go one more over. So yeah, I'm in the process of like shifting all the steam this way and sealing off that with steel and putting the steam into this room, and then just pump the steam across into the steam turbine this direction. And I plan on just putting like enough steel to cover this floor. Whoa. Huh. That's just kind of wrecked some stuff there. Okay, the doors did close, which is good. So we're still in good shape. Oh my goodness, I need to seal that off. That's annoying. Okay, I'm gonna get the guys to go up through that and dig across and just work on that. It should do the crusher. Why is it not? It's like, should be 60-60. Oh, is that? Shit, 60 seconds. And then 60 seconds. Oh my god. I forgot to set the 60 seconds. Oh my god, one more pass. Next shower and it'll work. I mean, I could throw in like an automation to simulate it, but then it'll like close the bunker doors and waste power. let's take care of this side. I mean, jet suits right about now would be very helpful. Yeah, let's just run across this. Or hang on, let me use the closest material. Oh, and I'm gonna put a storage bin here to store all the steel. I guess I could do it through it right there. There, okay, and I need to store oxalite right there too. Bring the oxalite up so they don't have to go very far for it. Delete that door. And I'll put that door right here. I mean, that door is really just to seal off the, to create this as a closed world for this guy to be dropped off here. And this guy, why don't we, I was going to wrangle him to put him over here, but it's not really a big deal. Okay, so now I can delete that, and then delete the water. That's right there. Well, that doesn't really... Yeah, I do need to delete that. I can't... Oh god, I can't. Oh my god, I can't. I'd have to like run a ladder this way and over it to continue. I just realized that. Because I can't build through this. Yeah, I can't build through it. You might be able to build some through here because the modules technically doesn't... The next module doesn't really go a full... No, it does. It does. Shit. Yeah, it does. Alright, well, whatever. Let's clear it out from here. Yeah, this is really problematic right there. I might have to move this steam wall over one more so I can use ladders on this side straight up. Yeah, but this side's not going to work. So, yeah. And then go this direction. I mean, it should be okay to support. I mean, this is a tiny little box. I'll have just enough for sensors switch there. So I can't move this up any further because this is like space exposure. So if I remove that, I'll lose my steam. So that's why it's like in this tight little corner here. I mean, I could kind of move this down a little bit, but I don't want to mess with that because that's like part of my water log. Yeah, I can't actually because I have to put the wall here. So I'm confined to that little tiny spot. Just waiting on them to move that down. Okay. This is so bad. This is probably like my worst playthrough. I'm surprised that my last playthrough, max difficulty, even though it was the first time playing, I think this has to probably be the worst, just because of the volcano setup and everything's like so pushed up to the top. Like the gravitas usually is not that close to the top. See how like close it is? It's literally like touching the sky, or the space max limit, because they move the space pockets here, and then I lost all the space down here because it's a volcano, and there's no way to like actually go down there without like, you know, trying to build, because like when I was trying to build this ladder earlier, it just melted as I was building the ladders, and so I didn't want to like, I mean, I think the temperature here is decent, but once it starts getting down to like 600 or something like that, it actually starts melting. So, and this was actually a cold biome right here. So there's no way I can actually, I mean, there is, I guess, if I use a jet suit, and then just fly down there and not use ladders and just dig stuff as I need to, and then with the jet suit. But then it's like once I get down there, I'm like, well, how am I even going to use the oil well, right? Because I think the oil well, the metal that's used for the oil well will still melt. So I should be thankful that there's like, you know, these oil geysers here, but that's the production rate is really slow, which is what's happening right now, is why I can't get very far. Hopefully they'll just finish that crap off and stuff is not going to fall that way. Okay, how's the skylight? Yeah, it's completely blocked because it's theoretically it's not fully crushed. It's like hidden sand in there. Okay, well, at least this is moving along, sort of. Okay, so condense the steam, and then expand the wall and put ladders this way, because I need to be able to like build the modules. I mean, technically I could just walk around this way, but I'm not able to reach it for some reason. Ladders or rockets right about now would really help. I gotta clear this out. That's what's causing it right now, or my problem. If I can clear this out, I guess I should be able to build the modules, and you still continue with this ladder, but we'll see. Oh, I really should also get my my telescope running. Let me see if I can build a telescope from down here. This should be okay. I don't know what the temperature is for that. Oh, it's pretty hot. Why don't I put this telescope like right here? On that platform. I think it's got to be like 2 apart from that. So like that right there. I think that should work. Because there's like a 5 tile rule to the left and 2 tile rule to the right for the distance apart. It's like a scan quality or something like that. Yeah, that should be fine right here. 6 tiles to the right. It's 6, right? Yeah, it just needs intake. Wait, no line of sight? Oh, it's because it's blocked, or it's fine. And then intake is the oxygen that I just made recently. Okay, so I need to get an oxygen pump going for that. What the hell? I'll just run it some more down, I guess. To that, and that's my the oxygen room right there. Please don't click on anything random. Okay, that worked. Okay, like that, and then run my oxygen line. Should probably have another gas tank here for the oxygen. Like maybe up here or something. Maybe, I don't know, it's not really that important. What's the distance between them? It's 5. Yeah, I guess I could run an oxygen line right there. Or an oxygen tank right here somewhere. Oh, almost. Just almost. Okay. Delete that. Over 1. God, all those bleach stones. Let me see if I can just set it on high priority or something. Oh, they'll take care of it. Okay, and then block that off. Oh no, steel. That needs to be steel. Because I'm moving the steel to this side. And then this here is going to be, I'm going to put ladders on this side. going up. Wow, okay, they got that. That diagonal, I'm still kind of concerned. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that should be good. Oh, they can't reach that, huh? God damn it. Alright, let's clear that. And then run it closer. Like that. Hell, I can just go like this. I don't even know why I bothered with that other one. Yeah, that works. Let's go with that. Okay, so that into that. Okay, and then I'm gonna put ladders here. And then that one I can, these two I can seal off right now and still be okay. I guess I can pop that and still be okay. I guess I can seal that off and it'll be okay. Yeah. I can seal that off and still reach it. So that works too. Okay, I think I can remove that now. Okay, I think I can remove that as well. I guess I'll take that. Wrangle you and put you in there. Yeah, okay. That's fine. That works. How's my base? Okay, everything looks fine. I'm just worried about like something back at home doesn't look good, or I forgot to do some maintenance on things. Okay, I do need more copper. A lot more, and gold. Okay. What? Oh, line of sight. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. That's just the door crusher problem. How's the power? Yeah, the power is fine too. Okay. And now, let's Stick a research module there. Oh. Can't just yet until I get rid of those ladders. Yeah, I gotta get rid of that one first. Wow, this is a project. Oh man. I think the other problem I'm going to have is I might have to lower this water level down a bit. Well, the other problem I'm going to have is the return gas. Of this thing, and usually I have like a trick, sort of like the gas trick down here for where I trick it to cheat the max pressure, but here I don't think I'm going to have space. Unless I lower this down a bit, and then that's going to be a problem with that. And then I turn that into the, or, well, I can move this out one floor. Yeah, I could try to move it out one tile. Or I just gotta like pay attention to the gas line. Or store it in a gas tank right next to it, and just so it loops back as I need to. That's going to be a challenge there too. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Okay, so hopefully that seals off, and I can go along this, and then I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this gas return loop. I mean, I could try to shift this over one. Or the water lock over one. Is that space exposure? I think it is. Oh, I can't. Maybe I can shift the. I could try to shift it down one. But I don't think that's going to help. Let me see what's right there. That's space exposure, right? Yeah. Okay. So I could kind of shift it over down one like this. And then use this as a trick spot. This is going to be a challenge to deal with. So right there and there. And I need to move the liquid this direction down one, I think. Yeah, like that. And then that's just going to have to go like this, like right there. Let me see if I can do that right here now. That might work. So if I seal this off and start building it this way, it should just like drip this direction and I'll be okay. And once it drips this direction, I can turn this into a trick spot with the oil. Unreachable food, what? Oh God. Okay, why is my scanner not working? Hang on, did I do the wiring wrong? Okay, this NOT gate goes to this, to this whole row. That's a buffer, 4 seconds. This goes to that. This is a buffer, filter. That's a NOT gate. Yeah, no, this is AND gate, right? AND gate. This should be right. Goes to this. Okay, what's it doing? It should be crushing it now, right? Green. That's supposed to be. That's green. That's green. Yeah, this is everything looks right. I don't know why it didn't crush. I'm looking at this. I think everything looks right. Wait a minute. These are 60 seconds. These are 4 seconds. Right, yeah. Oh, okay. 4 seconds maybe? On that. So I had these correct. 60-second buffers. Goes into that. And that goes out to that. Yeah, everything looks right. And that connects down, that's 4 seconds down. And that runs across, which is fine. Yeah, okay, well. Maybe this 4 second thing was off. That's probably why it didn't crush correctly. Okay. Alright, one more time. Okay, if I seal that off, it'll push it over this direction. right? And that should still be okay. And then I can lower it by 1 and then seal that off. Or seal that off, really. Let me put that right there. It's technically that one needs to be sealing. Well, first I can seal that off and then I can just lower all this water. Okay, yeah, modules set. Okay, so now I'm free to just go nuts this direction. The rocket, yeah. Alright, this is gonna be, needs to be cleared out. Okay, somebody's having issues. Okay, clear that out. Oops. Okay, the doors did close, so now let's find out if it works once it's supposed to crush. So I don't know why it's not crushing right now. Yeah, it's supposed to do like a crushing. So, yeah, I don't know why it's not crushing right now. Green line, negative, red lines. It's a NOT gate. Yeah. Oh, I think I know why. No, that's not it either. Yeah, that's not it either. Because that's connected, so. Yeah, the doors aren't crushing for some reason. But my setup is right. Or at least I think that's right. Well, maybe I do need another sensor here. And see if that sensor makes a difference. If I turn it off. It shouldn't though. I don't know how I'm off. That's a buffer right there. It's connected correctly. The AND gate is kind of weird, but maybe I should reload my other save file to see what's going on, because this patch changed some things with automation and maybe that's causing the problem. Yeah, that doesn't affect anything. Okay, let me load. Something's not right. I can't figure it out. Let me load my. I mean, everything looks right. So, my other sensors should be similar to this one on the crusher. Unless I accidentally connected something and I didn't realize it, like the two door rows. Oh my god, this loads crazy. Okay, let's take a look here. Okay, my doors. Okay, yeah, these aren't connected. Right, and this is connected to that. Yeah, it's connected to that. This is currently green because there's a shower right now happening. Its doors are closed. This is the buffer that goes straight to that line. It's, you know, it's just connecting to that. It's the same thing as what I did with this bridge, but yeah, this connects to that line. Yeah, there's nothing. It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. Why? Unless the switches were off. Or whatever. It shouldn't be. The switches shouldn't matter because I switched it off. Okay, so this goes into that line. And that goes to that line. And see, it's crushing it. And that is 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 70 seconds. Okay, well, 70 seconds. 60, 70 is not that much of a difference. So during the shower, it should be crushing. Yeah, all the lines are connected correctly. What's going on? It's not. Oh, it's not responding for some reason. Or lagged. I'm looking at this. Everything looks right. It's filter and buffer. Okay, wow. It's flickering correctly. Is AND gate, right? Yeah, AND gate. Alright, I'll reload the other one. I can't see it. It's like it's exactly the same. I don't know why the other one wasn't crushing. Oh god, I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, it should be crushing during the storm. Yeah, it's should be looping and okay, well. Alright, let me load the other one, see what's going on. It could just be a glitch. Mm. Okay, well, hopefully that reload fixes it. I'll probably just delete the switches on the end of the line. It should send like red signals though. Like a green signal will override a red if it's on this, if it's connected. So it really shouldn't matter. Okay, this shouldn't matter at all. I can just delete that. And these switches. Oh, it's sending green signals. Oh my goodness. Let me just delete these. This is probably the cause. Well, I don't know. Let me just delete it. No. They're probably the cause, but I'm just going to delete it. Okay, and oh my god, I need to delete those too. The reason is I also need to put a tile blocker so it pushes it to the other side instead of to the left. Okay, well, that's should be read appropriately when the time comes. And that is buffer for 4 seconds. Yeah, and that's 4 seconds. And that should be 60, well, 70, I guess. I can do 70, it's fine. Okay, now this should start crushing them. There you go. It's crushing. I don't know. Maybe deleting the sensors here were set wrong. Well, at least it's crushing. It's working now, and it's pushing it to this direction. Okay, well, I think it was the switches that were set wrong, or the switches were conflicting somehow, or bugging out. Okay, let's just delete all this and that. Oh, okay, right. So I sealed that off. So now I should be able to just drop this down and this over here. And then put a blocker there. I guess I can seal that off too, right there. You probably don't have to mess with those sides. Or that, yeah. I don't need to mess with that. That's a vacuum, so I don't even need to worry about that. Okay. That should take care of my problem. Or no, I'll leave that block there. I'll leave that block there. And just, yeah, I should be able to climb through this. I don't think that's base exposure. So then if I put a little oil here, I can set up a trick for the pipe. On its loop back, like this, and then it'll just go in there as a trick. I just need to put oil. So that should take care of my loop back problem. Oh, what's your deal? Oh, you can't move anywhere? Oh no. Let's get that. Come on, move, get up. There you go. It's because I was thinking of doing this. To go that way. Somehow he got up there. I don't even know how he got up there. Okay, and now let's see what kind of liquid do we have here. We have a tiny little bit of crude oil somewhere. There we go. I'll sweep that. That should give us enough to trick it. So, crude oil, sweep only mode, and high priority. We cycle through all the crude oil. Yeah, that's all we have. So yeah, that should trick the vent. Can you not dig? Are you not a digger? Runner should be able to dig. I don't think any of my guys are non-diggers. Oh, he might not be a digger. What? No. Runner. Oh my god, he cannot dig. Jesus Christ. Can you build across? Can you build across? Oh god. There you go, dude. Get out. Just get out. What are you doing? What are you doing? There you go. That's weird. Okay. Deconstruct that. It doesn't need to be high alert or anything like that. Okay, so now we got a gas trick. So the return gas can go in there at any time. And I just need to get a clock or a sensor in there, or switch of some sort. Really, I can just put a switch in there. Okay. Wait. Switch might need to be made of steel. Oh, I can't delete it from that menu. It's really annoying. Okay, let's delete that. Right there. I guess I'll just dig across like that. Well, I'll just build more up. Dig across like that. What's your deal? No line of sight? Do I have oxygen pumped in yet? No. What? Why not? Why not? Oh, does it not have power? It's probably no power. Yeah, duh. Okay, that's fine. That works. Okay, and then that should get some oxygen. And then we're back in business. And I know we're going to need a gantry for one of the modules there. Like right there, I have to build a gantry. Well, theoretically, I could stick a robo miner here and just clear this out, but I need cooling for that robo miner. Alright, yeah. It's kind of like whacked. It's not, doesn't reach all the way over there. I'm not too worried though, because once the rocket comes back, well, I should worry, because if that gets entombed, I can't whatchamacallit, get the gas pump, the steam pump working on it. I don't care about that. That's, if it doesn't pump it, it's fine. I can manually dig it out. Okay, so now I just need to make sure I get doors along the top. The doors need to be, oops, like right here, like right there, to the left of it, or right there, I guess. Right there. It's 4 doors. Right there. So those 2 tiles need to be removed and replaced with doors. And I should probably run some wires to open that. Oh man, I gotta run more power lines. Okay, another rocket module. Okay, what's happening here? Oh. It's because I got this like hole right there in the on the top spot. Normally I can take care of all this stuff with my jet suits. Okay. There you go. That works now. Get some power. Okay, there you go. Very nice. Alright, that works. So let's get that done. I should probably also get power into the steam thingy. All right, why? Hang on. What's going on? It's unreachable. Oh. God damn it. That's gonna be doors. Right, yeah, those right here, those are gonna be doors. Like, so replace that. Not gonna. Oh no, I can't. I shouldn't have done that. I should have done this one first. So now I gotta trick it, I guess, with that. That's bad. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, these are 5 tiles high, right? Yeah. Somehow this is not working out right. It's supposed to 6, 7, I guess 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then one more 7. Yeah, okay. That, I guess it did work out. Doors. Okay, so can I? Let me see how much power, how much, I guess, steam goes in there. With a first ring, and I do 7, and I do steam only. Doesn't matter. 763. Yeah, 760 doesn't even 763. 63. 763 takes me to the first ring. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch that on. And I can't tell if that's connected or not. I guess it's not. Yeah, there we go. Now it is. Or I think it is. Yeah, it's waiting. You know what? I should probably put the... No, I should... Never mind. That's fine. I'll be... So, I was gonna say it's probably better to stick it the steam vent closer to that, but then like if I delete that, it's gonna melt the plastic, and I'll get naphtha. So I'm kind of stuck with the high pressure right there. So I might as well just seal it, because I know that as soon as I delete that vent, plastic drops to the ground, it melts into naphtha, and then that'll just screw up my whole cheat lock. and I don't want to mess with that. So, anyways, that should loop around. I mean, right now, like, the game could use like a sensor, and I petitioned and asked for this. Okay, and then because that is entombed, it's looping back. Yeah, it won't finish. But it needs an automation to say, hey, I'm full, so I can go here and switch this off. All right, so this really needs an automation. Okay, that needs to be removed. Come on, guys. All right, now we'll loop back. Stops. Okay, and I need another one of those. There. And I need that automation wire running to this spot right here. And I'll just have a switch for now. Actually, that last one won't get affected, but I will need a gantry on the entry. Yeah, that's retarded, but whatever. Yeah, let's do that block right there, I guess. Okay, and then wires. I guess we'll do that too. From here to there. Well, technically, I won't actually use that line. Oh, I shouldn't be using that line at all, huh? Oh wait, yeah, that line's fine because I'm not using a full load. Okay, let's get this rocket module there. What's the load on this? 2004? I don't even know what's... I mean, I could also put this on a clock and not run it full time. So it reduces the lag spikes. Or I mean, power spikes. I'll just have to like clock it with something. Oh, I could delete one of these and just do 5 guys out. Well, there's currently not a load. But I could change it so it's just only like 5 guys can leave. That gives me a little bit more power somewhere else. Oh, these two can probably be on a third of the time. So let's say if we do 33% duration, right? Copy that with this guy, and 33, and then copy it with this guy, the other 66. So now we've actually managed to reduce the power spike, so only 240 is consumed, plus another 240 between. Well, this can actually be clock censored with something, like half the time, maybe. Yeah, with this. Well, I don't see anything else that he could share it with that matters. So, I mean, maybe this, but I want this 100% uptime. Okay, let's see if the loop. No, it's not looping back yet. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to use this power line to do the doors of the of this cockpit, or this rocket bay. Yeah, I want to run the power here. I guess to that. I guess maybe all the way up to this. I guess I can run it all the way up to that. You go straight down. I mean, my gantry's not really. I mean, it's gonna get wrecked. I guess that's not that big of a deal. Oh, you know what? It doesn't really need power that much because opening and closing is pretty slow, but it's not that slow. I mean, technically, I could put it on this line and put a buffer gate to make it open later, seconds later, so that way it won't consume the power. Wait, who's starting? Well, I'll analyze that, I guess. And I got something in the queue. None of these. So I'll take that. mean, technically, I could stagger the doors opening and closing to save power. Like trigger like half of them to open, like maybe 60 seconds later. That way, there won't be like a power spike. Are my scanners? They're like 48%. Oh, I should probably get another power line to this. Give it some more buffer time. I mean, so far it's like 3 is enough. So run this only when it's down to 25. And then maybe stop only at 70. And the reason is I don't want to like waste my hydrogen when this kicks in to fill it up. Same with this, really. It's almost there. I guess I can switch that off. Yeah, I knew it. Alright, so capsule, high priority. That I can just delete. And now we can choose a guy to be our rocket. I think we have a rocket man, so rocket man, you're up. You are definitely the man. Unless one of these guys. No, I think rocket man. Yeah. You're the rocket guy. No, you are now the new super duper rocket. Okay, and then these guys are whatever. Okay. Let's get that going. Max priority. Do we have an extra suit? Oof. I don't know if I have extra suits. Yeah, I do not. Crappers. Alright, so we gotta make a suit. One. I'm gonna probably, yeah, one's good enough. Make a couple of gold, yeah, more iron. Oh boy. Oh. Lots more iron. And then I guess I can make some more steel. I'll hold off on that. Wow, they finished that real fast, huh? What are these guys doing? I suppose you can be a builder, and a digger. I don't know if I want to go that far. I mean, I could, I guess. Oh, sure, why not? Alright, so these guys are just preset. Yeah, I don't want to mess with him. I mean, he's potentially another rocket guy. I mean, everybody's pretty set. Yeah. Don't want to mess with that either. Yeah, okay. They're reasonably set. I'm not gonna mess with it. Well, I need a suit, and I need a destination. Which one? They're all the same to me, so. Okay. Let's put a blocker here because I don't need stuff falling down on that. Gantry is going to get destroyed. So, yeah, pretty sure Gantry is going to get destroyed. Let's build that up. Oh. I should probably try to actually use a scanner to detect the incoming, and then the rest of the times it'll just close. And put like an OR gate. I guess it's an OR gate, right? It's yeah, an OR gate. So if this is green, if that's green, this will also be green. And then we can do it like that. Let's see if I can run the other line over. So I'm gonna run that over this direction. Hang on, I don't even. That switch is just not even necessarily important. OR gate. Right there. Oops. Okay. And I'm going to connect it. And then this could just be my space scanner over here somewhere. Where's my scanner? Okay, yeah, so this could just be a scanner. Oh no, come on. It's a good thing I didn't click yet. Oh, there we go. Alright, so here to here. Okay, so at any point in time, if it's open, then it'll open. And if this opens, it'll open. Yeah, that should theoretically work. And close as necessary. Yeah, it's already powered, so I think that works. Yeah, okay. I guess if it comes back, it needs to retract this. If it leaves, it needs to retract this. Well, I'm going to manually retract it, so. Okay, here we go. Our first mission. What cycle are we at? We're almost breaking the 900, so, or 800. So we're launching our first rocket before 8. Oh, I forgot to close it. Oh my god. I knew it. I knew it was going to get broken. Whatever. Let's kill it. Oh, and that needs to get powered up. Huh? Let's go with that. Okay. I'll rebuild the gantry later. It's not that important. Or I'll just leave that guy in there permanently and not even deal with it. Yeah, I'll just leave it in there permanently. That wire though needs to be steel though, if I do want to use it. Yeah, I may or may not have to use the gantry, but whatever, we'll see. Okay, and this is for the rocket. Hopefully, the patch says it will remember the names, but it's to be tested. I normally do an open rocket bay and not deal with it, but I'm trying to, I guess, something new where I don't have to like dig this up, or at least that's the intention. I don't want to have to dig it up. Actually, you know what? I will end up having to dig it up because when it closes, the debris is going to drop. That's kind of annoying. I think the open rocket bay is probably going to be better. Because I'm going to have to dig this up anyways when the door opens after the meteor shower passes. I mean, the only benefit of closing it during the meteor shower is not getting junk over here. Over here is not that big of a deal, but getting junk over here will block off access to the ladders, and it'll also destroy the ladders. So I guess that's the only benefit of closing, open and closing. That way, my ladders don't get wrecked, and I have to like rebuild it or something like that. Well, technically, I don't need to rebuild it. I can just leave it as disable repair, and it'll just look like that. Because it's not like you can't, you know, it's not like it won't be functional. So let me seal this off, though. It just looks really ugly. Yeah, I'll take that. Go to that.